Hey everybody, welcome to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to be installing snorkels on my 2020 Kia Stinger. So the first part we need to do is take off the bumper, which as you can see happened during the intro. Alright, the next part to installing the snorkels is to take off this support bracket, which includes these two 10mm screws, this 10mm bolt, and then one on the other side. The final bolts you have to remove for this bracket are these two 10mm bolts underneath the front bumper. Now the final thing you want to do before taking off your bracket is to cut this wire loose from the bracket. The wire is also attached to your driver's side. Alright, the next part of this installation is to remove the stock snorkel by removing these three 10mm bolts on the passenger side and the driver's side. Okay, the next step before you install the aftermarket snorkels is you're going to take your stock snorkel and actually remove this gasket from it. So this is the driver's side. You have to remove the gasket on this gasket. Take your stock one and throw it in the trash. You're going to take that gasket and install it. You're going to do that for both sides, and then we're going to go back to the car to install them. Alright, so what you're going to do is you're going to line up your aftermarket snorkels with these two mount points, put them in, and then you're going to have to take your stock 10mm bolts and install them in each of those locations. Alright, now the final part that you're going to do before you put the bumper on is you're going to have to take this loose wire that came with, and you're going to have to secure it to the bumper here. Alright, this is the final product with the snorkels installed and the bumper off, and now let's see it with the bumper on. And there we go. Now, these are the snorkels with the bumper installed. I know it's difficult to see because I got black on black, but that's kind of what I wanted. Alright everybody, that's going to be the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching. So this was the Velossa Tech big snorkels for the Kia Stinger. I'll put a link down in the description to their website if you want to pick up yourself a pair. They have a bunch of different options. You can get different colors. You can get LEDs so you can light them up, stuff like that. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe, share, put on notifications, all of the above. It helps me out so much. And anyway, thank you guys once again so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.